I have a number of estate planning clients right now who are going through the same thing, which is their mother passes away or their best friend of 50 years passes away, and they have to go through the entire house, through 50 years of things, and it can be so absolutely overwhelming that it almost immobilizes you. With both of the circumstances I'm thinking of, both of the women who have been put in charge of the estate are literally staying at the house overnight, sleeping at the house, going gingerly room to room and going and sorting through, what should be thrown away and what should be put in an estate or a consignment sale. And it is something I am often told is such a headache, or clients say to me, I just don't want to leave all of this stuff for my kids. So my suggestion to you, and I know I sound like a mom who's telling you what to do, and so much of estate planning, people, they'll do it tomorrow or they'll bury their heads in the sand, but it does happen that people open the door to a house and every closet, every nook and cranny, all of the soap, all of the tax returns from 1985, it all has to be sorted and dealt with. So my suggestion to you is to start paring down now. There's such a misnomer that estate sales are primarily for people who've passed away, but that's not necessarily true. There's so much business out there for these estate companies for baby boomers who are planning, who are downsizing. So you should think about, what can I get rid of? What would I not want my child or my best friend to have to go and filter through if I wasn't here? The other thing you want to do, if you are ready to take this task on, is you also want to write down things that you have that are really interesting, have a great background, are particularly worth something. I have clients tell me, oh, I have a lot of valuables, or that collectible is worth a lot of money. And sometimes I'm like, I don't know. I can see things go for pennies on the dollar. But sometimes people really do have things that are more valuable than you would ever know. You would have just walked by the painting on the wall. I had one client tell me that when her mom passed away, there was this tiny painting, but it was done by a very famous painter. And she retired after Christie's sold that painting for over $300,000. If it were me walking into the house, I would have no idea. So start paring things down. Think about if you were the person who had to go through this entire house or apartment or second house. And then also write down those things are interesting, valuable, should go to a particular person. You will feel so much less of a load on your shoulders if you start taking these small steps today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful.